Ladies and gentlemen, members of parliament, all South African citizens, Scotaners, Babantsulas, homosexual, hermaphrodite, I think, excuse me for that one, it's a very new word. First and foremost, I would like to convey the warmest welcome to everyone present on this unique and timely strategic day. I, as Nkosazana Zuma, I'm here to present to you my manifesto for the up and coming elections to campaign as the president in this coming national elections 2014. President is my staff, you know that. So I would like to say there are things that we must refrain from looking at that referendum outcomes that as a country. Let us seize this unique opportunity to say no to the fake innovations, fake skilled people, and marginalized smart people. We must say no to Pride Day. We all know that as a country we are too fat, obese in fact. This includes all the public servants. I'm talking policemen, women, nurses, and those are our crucial services, including myself as your lead. I'd like to say to all policemen and women and nurses, the time for all the government servants who are in service to stop eating magunyas. And as citizens as well, we must come together and say, no policeman, either a traffic cop or SAPS, is going to take a bribe more than 200 rand. Because we know that in this country, the state of living is very, very high, and looking at the average man having 3 or more wives. We must stop being fat. Cholesterol is killing us. So Pride Day is not good in our favors because half of our country has gout, arthritis, heart attacks. Now we know that as a policeman you must catch a thief a day. Policemen must run. Run, policemen. You must run after them. Don't shoot first. Run. Even if when the criminal is not running, run so that you can lose weight. And as Africans, we used to be fit and firm and very, very skilled in departments where we exercise our bodies. And now that fit and firmness has been replaced by fear and failure and fat. We must say to our brothers, please try and look like the Emekas, Chukujeku, Wachukujas. Six-pack is of utmost importance in a man. So we call to our brothers to please try and be like them. So we must contribute as such. And when it comes to Lobola, on its own. We say there is this tendency that we find people who are going to negotiate for that particular woman or she-woman, they are not involved in the activities of the relationship. You find the uncles and the fathers talking on behalf of this woman, the JJ, while the woman is not there. And the person who's supposedly lowballing the VJJ is also not there. So we're negotiating on a product and upstage. We must revisit our culture and tradition with regards to that manner. We must say no to rape. We say no to rape of the young, the old, and the disabled. We must live up to the legacy that was left by our icon, the father of the nation, the late Nelson Mandela, of Ubuntu and of loving one another, showing peace, and making sure that sexual activity must be something that is agreed upon by two people. No one should steal someone else's organ by force. We must say to our president, Mr. Nkosazana Zuma, that Jacob Zuma, all protocol observed, okay. To Jacob Zuma. We say to the president, we all want to live, more especially as black people who are in a pretty disadvantaged. Yes, we all want a tuck shop and a swimming pool, but the tuck shop must never be more expensive than a mall. So we must be careful as to how we control ourselves to that financial spending. On that note, without wasting your further time, I would like to thank you all for your kind attention and attending to this occasion. I guess you will understand that these are the points that South Africans have been raising out there in the streets, and some of them don't have the channel or the proper voice to say these things to, so that we can have a more organized and a prosperous government now. I'd like to thank you all for your kind attention and attentiveness to my speech. And I say, in these coming elections, whether you're young, you're old, you're gay, not working, married, not married, polygamy, not polygamy, foreign, not foreign, every citizen of this country, vote African cherries. Viva African cherries, viva. I thank you.